Good morning, Jack. Today Jack is 7 days old and it's April 3rd. We just had our breakfast and now he's got the hiccups. Isn't he cute? This is probably the most his eyes have been open yet. And today we're going to give him a bath at home, a sponge bath. And that's about all we're doing today. He had a good night's sleep last night. And now he's awake during the day, so that's pretty good. Say hi, Jack. Hopefully we'll get some good pictures today. Maybe we'll do a little photo shoot. Grandma needs some pictures, she said. Let's take this out. Oh, bless you, bless you. Yep, this is about all he does right now. That's fine by us. Jack.